and you want to cut it out as carefully as possible because you really don't want to have any rough or jagged corners or lines, because you'd be surprised at how much those show up when you fold your fabric over the cardstock and stitch it down. So just try to make it as round as possible. Stay on those lines as best as you can. So then once I have it ready, then I'll cut with my sewing scissors. I'll cut around the circle, leaving about 1/4 of an inch all the way around. Okay, and then you're going to want to do a gathering stitch all the way around and then pull it tightly onto your cardstock, which is what I've done for this one. And then you actually want to use your glue to glue it down along the edges. Once you've done that, then you just press it onto your Dresden front and just wait for it to cool. And that way it'll just hold it nicely while you're ready to do your stitching.